What's going on, guys? My name is Charlie and welcome to a brand new series in which we are going to talk about how to make good, delicious and most importantly affordable coffee at home. Let's go! Alright, today we're gonna start with Moka Express. With Moka Express you can get the closest taste of coffee like from the professional coffee maker. These things goes around $26 to $60, it depending on the size, depending on the material that is this Moka Express made out of. It also depends on the brand. Over here I'm using Bialetti, as you can see. And honestly, you cannot go wrong with Bialetti. As you can see, I've got stainless steel Moka Express. It's just because I'm using induction cooker. So if you are using induction cooker, go with stainless steel Moka Express. If you are using gas cooker, go with the aluminum one. Moka Express is made out of 3 parts. It's actually 5, but I would love to get to that later. It's this upper part, it's this middle part, and it's the bottom part. And I've just said word part like 3 times in a row. 4 times. With this Moka Express right here you can make 2 cups of coffee. That's equivalent of 60 to 70 millimeters of coffee. And that's basically why there's such a price range. It depends how many cups of coffee you want. And it depends if you got the aluminum one or this stainless steel one. Alright, let's make some coffee. First, we need to fill up our bottom container with water. You can either use cold water or you can use warm water. It really doesn't matter. If you want to use warm water, just take your watering can, let it fill up with the cold water, and later you can use it for your plants. Don't just waste your water. You can also preheat your water, but I wouldn't recommend it. It's just because if you are going to preheat the water too much and you are going to put this middle part in with your grinded coffee, the water starts to vaporize, creating steam, and the steam is going to push the water up over here and you will end up with coffee all over your kitchen. So just be careful about that. And that's basically how the whole process works, except we didn't even put this upper chamber over here. Just the pro tip right there. Always fill up your bottom container under the safety valve. It's the little thing over here. It's for releasing excess pressure, so if you are going to overfill it, there will be no possible way to release the pressure, and I don't know what would happen, but just don't do that, okay? Just don't. Always under the safety valve. So now we've got the bottom container ready. We are going to put this middle part in, and we are going to fill it up with our grinded coffee. You can get your grinded coffee at a local coffee shop. Just ask the employee, don't be scared, they are going to help you with choosing the right coffee that fits you. And the only thing you gotta do is to tell the employee that you need your coffee to be grinded for your Moka Express. That's it, that's all you gotta do. You can take more samples if you want to, and yeah, that's it. So in this case we shouldn't go under the line that is located in our middle part, and that is right here. By the way, Charlie, I don't have a line. What do I do now? Don't worry, but just do not use small amounts of coffee. By small amounts of coffee, I mean like half of a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of a grinded coffee. This Moka Express is making 1.5 bars of pressure on that grinded coffee, and if there's a small amount of coffee, it will just coffee all over your kitchen. No, but the hot water will literally go through the grinded coffee, through the filter, to this upper chamber, and if you've got this upper chamber open, it could potentially end up all over your kitchen and all over your hands. So keep that in mind and be careful. Just do not use small amounts of coffee. So I would advise using 2 to 3 teaspoons of grinded coffee. If that's going to be too strong for you, you can just mix it up with your preheated water and you can make some good Americano, if that's something you're into. It's always better to use more than less coffee, just because of the, So now if you are done, I like to give this little shake so it's all spread and even. Alright, almost done. Take the upper chamber and screw it tightly like this. I say tightly because if you are not going to screw it tightly, it could potentially end up again all over your kitchen. Now it depends what cooker are you using. Over here I'm using induction cooker. If you've got the same as I do, you are going to use the number 7 out of 10. If you are using the gas cooker, all you gotta do is make sure the flame is not bigger than the diameter of this bottom container. That's all you gotta do. Alright, we are all set up. Now only thing you gotta do is take your stopwatch and wait. Once the coffee starts to fill up the upper chamber, start your stopwatch and count down 20 to 25 seconds and move the coffee away. Using 20 to 25 seconds rule, as I like to call it, is the best way to make your coffee good and delicious. If you are going past 25 seconds, it could potentially burn your coffee and it wouldn't be tasty at all. If you are going over 35 seconds, you can burn this seal over here. You can have it closed from now on, and you should even have it closed while the process is happening. I just want to show you on a video because it looks cool, right? After making a couple of liters or gallons of coffee, you are going to learn just by the sound of the Moka Express when you are actually supposed to move out the Moka Express and turn off your cooker. Let the Moka Express the rest for a while, then pour your coffee into your favorite cup and enjoy your coffee. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I mean, it's for free. Leave a comment down below if you are interested. If you have any questions about Moka Express or any other coffee, just leave me a comment and I'll see you at another video. Thank you for watching and your time. Peace out.